Hi, I'm Lise from Surmulerum. Someone asked me how the texture of chickweed turns out after canning. Here's my preparation of Chickwheat Rendang served with coconut rice. We are Andy and Lise, a musician and an illustrator. This is where all our crazy ideas come together. Welcome to the Surmulerum. You can click the link to see the video about how I canned the chickweed. Beside the curry paste, I like to use Thai 7-spice for many of my Asian recipes. For this one, I used 1 teaspoon. I pulled the chickweed into smaller bits. It's not as firm as the fresh chickweed, but feels more, let's say, well cooked. I sprinkle it with about half of the Thai 7-spice and set it aside while I prepare the vegetables. Then I chop 1 red chili. About 1 inch of fresh ginger, two cloves of garlic, a bunch of spring onions, a red pepper, some broccoli, or actually you can use any vegetables you like. I use 1 tablespoon of rendang curry paste. You will also need a can of good quality coconut milk. Heat up your wok and add a tablespoon of the thick part of the coconut milk and the rendang paste. Fry the curry paste for a minute or 2 before adding a few more tablespoons of coconut milk. Then cook on quite high heat for 3 to 5 minutes until the oil from the curry paste and the coconut milk separates. I have shortened it quite a bit here, but it does take quite a while. It is fascinating to watch how the oil suddenly appears as out of nowhere. Then add the chili and stir fry it for a minute or so before adding the chickweed. Stir and turn the chickweed well and cook it for a few minutes, then add the ginger and garlic. Add more coconut milk as it cooks into the dish. Also add the rest of the Thai 7 spice. Then keep cooking until the chickweed is nice and browned. Add the chopped vegetables and stir fry for 6 to 7 minutes till the veggies are tender but still have a little bite to them. Add the rest of the coconut milk and a little bit of light soy sauce to taste. Serve it on a bed of coconut rice or your favorite sides. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel, it's completely free. And if you hit the little bell icon, you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Thank you.